Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot table from table in Excel. So let's start this is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So first convert your data into table. Simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then press the Ctrl T and here you can see the small dialog box is open, create table. Then click on OK and your data is converted into table. Okay. With the table design tab, to create the pivot table, go to the table design and in tools group, click on the summarize with pivot table option. And here the one dialog box is open, pivot table from table or range. First select the table or range. So table range is table 6, the table name. Okay, you can see in table design tab, there is a in properties tab, there is a table name option available. Now it's not visible because pivot table process is showing. Okay, you can see the table 6 here showing, same as table name is table 6 showing. Okay, instead of selecting the range, it's showing the table name. Okay, after that choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. First select the new worksheet, click on OK, and that's it. Here the new worksheet is added. You can simply drag the fields below the area to create your pivot table. So I drag the total price in values, product in filters. Okay, sorry, product in rows, and in filter I drag here the quantity. Okay, so that's it. Pivot table is ready. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.